Welcome to our tutorial on how to turn off the screen distance alert in iOS 17. The new iOS 17 brings a range of useful features and improvements, but sometimes we may encounter minor nuisances, such as the screen distance alert that can overlay your work. This notification is designed to inform you when your device is too close to your eyes to protect your vision, but you might want to disable it for specific reasons. Let's embark on this journey together and learn how to control and customize this alert according to your needs. First, let's open our settings on the phone. After that, we'll find the screen time option, and when we locate it, we'll click on it. Next, from the Limit Usage section, we'll select the second option, Screen Distance. A page will open where you'll find the Screen Distance option. If you want to stop receiving alerts, simply turn it off by clicking the switch here. If you want to receive alerts again, repeat the same process and turn the option on by clicking the switch. This is a very useful feature for protecting your eyes from holding the phone too close, and we recommend keeping it enabled. If you have any additional questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.